like when we're talking about fire alarm and detection systems, the control panel itself I kind of refer to as the brain of the system. Because what differentiates a fire alarm and detection system from other electrical systems is the ability to supervise around the clock, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, the status of the electrical wiring and the devices that are attached to it. So the control panel is always going out and processing the integrity of the system, and that term is supervision. And that is really the core to making sure that a life safety system is ready at all times to be able to alert building occupants or the fire department if there should be a need. Many buildings today have a combination of a fire alarm and detection system within that building, as well as a fire suppression system, for example, a water-based sprinkler system, for example. What we do is we use the fire alarm panel to monitor that fire suppression system, whether it be the status of the valves controlling the water supplies through a use of a supervisory switch that's affixed to that valve, so that we know that that valve for some reason is turned into an abnormal condition, meaning that the sprinkler system might be impaired. We can monitor the status of the valve. We can also monitor, obviously, the flow of water within the system with a paddle switch in the case of a wet sprinkler system, or a pressure switch in the case of a dry sprinkler system, so that when the system actually operates and the flow of water happens within that, which might create property damage, if there's not a fire especially, we can alarm the building and use that for supplemental alarm notification device purposes or whatever.